Welcome to the 61.8 Fib project by Trading Jazz. Today we are going to talk about the crab pattern time frame. The crab pattern was discovered by Scott Carney as a swing position trading strategy. It can be identified on virtually on any time frame. Tactics. The tactics for the crab pattern are very similar to other well-known advanced patterns like the bat or butterfly. With the crab pattern we seek to identify 4 market moves and 3 major fib zones. The combination of these moves forms the points X, A, B, C and D that fulfill the pattern. Rules of engagement. The crab pattern begins with a market impulse leg that establishes our X and A points. Once the X and A points have been printed, we look for our criteria. Criteria 1. The market forms the B completion point by fulfilling at least a 61.8% retrace of the X to A leg. Note: the A to B move remains valid as long as there is at least a 61.8% retrace of X to A, and it does not close above the 78.6%. Criteria 2. If criteria 1 has been met, then look for criteria 2. The market forms the C completion point by fulfilling at least a 50% retrace of the A to B leg. Note: the C point remains valid as long as there is at least a 50% retrace of A to B and there is not a candle close beyond the 61.8% retrace of A to B. Note: in a valid B to C move, there must be a candle close beyond the 50% value. Failure to achieve a candle close beyond the 50% invalidates the move. This would be considered a Fibonacci failure which has no relevance to this pattern. Criteria 3. If criteria 1 and 2 have been met, then look for criteria 3. The market forms the D completion entry point by fulfilling a 161.8% extension of X to A. Trade management, entry, stops, and targets. Simple rules. Entry: place a limit order at D completion point 161.8% of X to A. Stop placement 10 pips, around 200% of X to A. You should adjust it to your own risk management strategy and always look at previous structure. Look left. Target 1. The 38.2% retrace of A to D leg. When attained, stop moves to break even. Target 2. The 61.8% retrace of A to D leg. This is the crab pattern. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Trade safe.